Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you have watched my previous unboxing for the S20 Ultra 5G, and now we are going to transfer my old phone to the new one. So I have this S9 Plus Samsung, and then we are going to transfer the data of this old guy to this new Ultra, or the S20 Ultra 5G. So all we need to do is make sure both are turned on. All right, let me see. So now we have here, check it, like, oh no, all right, I should start here, I guess. So we have here English, let's go, press the arrow and then press all the information. Information, yeah, that's fine. And then next, and then of course, where is our, where are you now? We only have this one. All right, so let me just put in my password. So now we're connected to our Wi-Fi. So checking for updates. Yeah, it takes a while. So alright, so as you can see, after it shows the installing of the updates, we have this copy apps and data. Okay, so I'll select next. Use your old device, yes. And now it's gonna download another update. But it's very fast, interesting. So as you can see, it gave me two options. It's either using a cable or wireless. So to make it faster, let's use this cable C. Ay, cable C ako ng cable C. Yes, let's use this USB-C, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, I have it here. And then this one, I hope it will fit. Okie dokes. Alright, and it needs my fingerprint. Oh no! Alright, okay, so I use the cable, so I have to select that and then click on agree. And then I will select allow from here. Yes. And then send your stuff to new Galaxy. Yes. That's it. It's so fast. So now it is transferring all the data. I hope it will also carry out those passwords, those logins that I already have, because pretty much it's a lot of things to remember. I have 18%, so let's see how fast it will take this. Wow, that's quick. Alright, so it says here, choose what to bring. Calls, contacts, messages, audio, everything. I guess I'll select everything. Yep. Videos, alright. Everything that has the data, because this one doesn't have anything. So it looks good, because even those in my SD card, it also had it. Alright, let's transfer now. Oh, I didn't find out what they can bring. Now it says here, copy to your new device. Copy. Unlock. Alright. Unlock to continue setting up. Alright, let me just unlock. Alright. Copying. Keep screen on. It says here, copying your stuff. Oh, hey. What happened? Did it just crash? What's going on? All right. Account added and next. Getting account info. Just a sec. Check out what's trending. Next. Google services. Backup and Google. Use location. Send usage. Diagnostic. Install updates. Accept. Protect your phone. Alright, I'll skip this for now. I'll do that later. Skip anyway. Alright, and then sign in to your account. Alright, let me just sign into my Google. Welcome to your, so it says here now, welcome to your Samsung account. Use the customization, improve sharing. What is it? Okay. To continue, read and agree to it. Whatever. Let me just say all. Okay, for now. Alright, all done. Finish. Just a sec. Bring your stuff. It says here. Okie dokes, I guess I got most of it. Let us check. That's pretty fast. Oh no, it's still trying to download probably the files, but I got most of the apps already. I hope. No, not yet. Yeah, I didn't get it yet. These are just like the original one or the pre-installed apps. There you go. So yeah, it's pretty cool and I'm excited. You know guys, the only thing that I'm excited or that I usually use Samsung is whenever I'm watching YouTube, I'll show you. I don't know if it does still exist. So for example, I want to watch YouTube. Let's watch Rafi Tulfo. Alright, so if I close this one, see this? I can do my stuffs. I can text, I can read my emails, etc. I can do anything. Right? This is very convenient. Oh, and it just closed. There you go. So that's it for the video. I guess it will transfer whenever it finished. I'm not going to show that anymore because it will take a lot of time. It's still copying my stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.